Would you like to live forever? It's not magic or a potion, it's just a matter of velocity. Okay, let's try it out. When you travel at a speed near of c, the speed of light, strange things happen to the time. This is what the special relativity tries to explain when this kind of phenomenon happens. We can also say that time becomes weird when we are near to a gravitational field. This is general relativity. But let's go back to Earth with my other me.
Hello? Christian?
What? What happened to you? We were identical.
I've been waiting for you for the last 50 years. However, I had enough time to do my research and investigations, and this is because time dilation. To prove their truthfulness, let me get on my board. As we can see in the diagram, a photon will move between two plates. The photon with no horizontal movement has a time equal to 2 times L divided by C. We're going to call this term as own time. While the photon with horizontal movement has a time equal to 2 times d divided by c. Regarding to this term, we will call it as external time. Developing the equation with just a basic knowledge of algebra, we will approach this result, which is external time is equal to own time multiplied by gamma.
Time is relative. According to the theory of relativity, time dilation is a difference in the elapsed time measured by two observers, either due to a difference in relation to a relative velocity to each other, or by being differently situated relatively to a gravitational field. Special relativity points out that for an observer in an inertial frame of reference, as a result of the nature of space-time, a clock that is moving relatively to an observer will be measured to tick slower than a clock that is at rest in the observer's own frame of reference. This is what we call time dilation. If the speed became faster, bigger will be the time dilation. If we think about it, we can use time dilation in our favor. In an imaginary situation, if there was an apocalypse or some disease in a colony, you can send them travel at the speed near of c, let's say 0.9 c, which is the 90% of the speed of light, for 5 years, keeping in mind that this time is on Earth. Scientists will have 5 years to investigate the solution for the problem, when the people on the spaceship just waited for 2 or 3 years. So, if you increase your speed and get near to the speed of light, bigger will be the time dilation. But what about if it's possible to travel at the speed of light?
Well, photons are not affected by time. Want to be forever young? Then travel at the speed of light.